Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check for bedbugs. Bedbugs are tiny insects that feed on human blood and can cause itching and discomfort. They can be tough to detect, but by following a few simple steps, you can easily check for their presence in your home. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit the bell button to receive notifications of upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Inspect your bed. Start by inspecting your bed. Check the seams and folds of your mattress and box spring for tiny brown bugs and tiny black or red spots, which are their droppings. Use a flashlight to make sure you don't miss anything. Step 2. Check the bed frame. Next, check the bed frame, especially the joints and crevices. If you see any bugs, it's likely that they've infested the entire bed. Step 3. Check other furniture. Bed bugs can also hide in other furniture, such as nightstands, dressers, and upholstered chairs. Check these items carefully, paying special attention to seams and crevices. Step 4. Check the carpets and rugs. Bed bugs can also hide in carpets and rugs. Use a flashlight to inspect the edges and corners of the carpet, especially around the baseboards. Step 5. Check cracks and crevices. Lastly, inspect cracks and crevices in the walls, baseboards, and electrical outlets. Bed bugs are expert at hiding and can squeeze into the smallest of spaces. By following these simple steps, you can easily check for bed bugs in your home. If you do find bed bugs, it's important to seek professional help to get rid of them. Remember, the earlier you catch them, the easier it is to get rid of them. Thank you for watching and stay bug-free.